Skype is a program used by millions of people all over the world to connect with friends and family.
Teams can choose to use Skype in order to facilitate face-to-face communication.
Today I'll be showing you how to use Skype to its fullest extent. After Skype has been installed on your computer by your district's network technician, simply double-click on the icon, just like any other program to open it. Once Skype opens up to this window, you will click Create a New Account, which will open a new web page.
Once this web page opens in your browser, simply fill in the required information and pick a name. I would recommend a name that describes your community and your grade. Once you have finished, click Agree. Now that we have returned to Skype, simply fill in the details with the Skype name you selected, as well as the password you chose. We are now successfully signed into Skype. We will now add some contacts to our Skype list. To do this, we click on Add a Contact. The window now opens up for contact selection. The simplest ways to find the people you're looking for are to either type in their mailing address or to type their Skype name. I will be adding my personal account to my business one. Click Send Request, and now the contact request has been sent. And we can close the window or add another contact. We'll close the window for now. If you are on the receiving end of a contact request, you will see a box appear in the upper left corner of your screen labeled Contact Request. Simply click this box, see the request, click Add to Contacts. We now see that my other profile is signed on. We'll double click it. Now there are several things I can do. We can chat, much like MSN or Facebook chat. And there are two types of calls that can be made. The first is a voice call. We now have to wait for my other profile to pick up, which he has. Now, here, you can talk to the other person much like you're on the phone. You can also type things to them, or send them files. One way to do this is to go up to the top corner, go to Conversations, and to the Send. And we can see we can send things like files. For instance, I'm going to go to my desktop and send a picture I drew of a bee. Now, we see that on my side, it is saying the waiting, and he has the option to accept it. He will click Save As, and begin to accept the file and download it. Another way we can do this is with a video call. To send a video, you must either have a webcam plugged in, or have one built into your laptop. We start by clicking Turn on Video. Now in the corner, we will see that our video pops up. Currently we're a picture of a squirrel. To do a video call from the start, simply click Video Call and follow the same practices and principles as used during a voice call. One thing you might find it handy to do is to set a profile picture. To set a profile picture, go to Skype, Profile, Change Picture. This way, we can easily set a photo of ourselves for our colleagues to see. We'll keep this one. Another thing you might find handy to do is to change your online status. You can come to the top corner under the Skype bar, click the little green check mark, and change your status to Away, Do Not Disturb, or Appear like you're offline, while still being able to monitor others.